In a world where speed is worshipped, where every line, every curve, and every heartbeat of a machine is crafted for one purpose: domination, there exists a car that doesn't just break the rules of design, it rewrites them. This is the Zephyrion X1, a sports car so advanced it doesn't look like it was built for roads, it looks like it escaped from the future. At first glance, the Zephyrion X1 doesn't look like any car you've ever seen. Its body, an asymmetrical fusion of flowing aerodynamics and sharp aggression, isn't designed with lines, it's sculpted with motion. Every inch of it is alive with purpose. They call it AeroMorph Design, a body that adjusts its aerodynamic flow dynamically, like a living organism. When you accelerate, microfins embedded along the chassis reshape themselves in real time, channeling air pressure to slice through the wind. Not resist it, control it. Unlike traditional spoilers and vents, these aeromorph surfaces aren't static. They move, they breathe, they think. Guided by over 200 adaptive sensors, the car continuously reads airflow, temperature, and speed, transforming its exterior within milliseconds. At 300 kilometers per hour, the car doesn't just maintain stability, it creates it. A machine so intelligent, it feels less like driving and more like flying. But all that beauty means nothing without power. And the Zephyrion doesn't just have power, it defines it. Underneath that shimmering shell lies the Helios drive system, a revolutionary hybrid tri-core engine, combining hydrogen combustion, solid-state electric boost, and air compression propulsion. That's right, air. While most cars rely on fuel and motors, the Zephyrion uses aero-boost compression turbines, capturing and recycling wind pressure from its own movement, turning air resistance into thrust. The result? Zero lag, infinite torque. Together, these systems unleash a jaw-dropping 1,620 horsepower, catapulting the X1 from 0 to 100 in just 1.6 seconds. That's not acceleration, that's teleportation. And it doesn't stop there. It's top speed, officially untested. But whispers from the Zephyrion team suggest numbers above 480 kilometers per hour. That's territory where air starts to become your enemy. But for the X1, air is an ally. Step inside, and you'll understand that the Zephyrion isn't just about performance, it's about presence. The cockpit is called the Nexus, a driver's cocoon where human and machine merge. There are no buttons, no dials, just a panoramic holographic interface that reads gestures, voice, and even eye movement. The car doesn't wait for your command, it anticipates it. Every surface is layered with smart tactile material that reacts to touch, temperature, and emotion. If your heart rate spikes during a high-speed chase, the seats tighten slightly. If your focus drops, ambient lighting shifts to alert you. It's not a car, it's a co-pilot that cares. But the Zephyrion's most mesmerizing feature isn't just what it does, it's how it feels. When you drive it, time distorts. Corners fade into instinct. The steering system NeuroDrive Sync uses micro-feedback sensors that mirror your neural patterns. Your reactions become its reactions. You think it moves. The sound of the Zephyrion isn't just engine noise, it's engineered harmony. The tri-core system produces 3 distinct tones that merge into a deep, resonant hum, known as the Velocity Chord. Each rev sings differently, depending on speed, air density, and mode. You don't just hear it, you feel it vibrate through your chest. It's the music of motion. Built with a composite of liquid titanium and carbon weave, the Zephyrion's chassis is 40% lighter than conventional hypercars, yet 5 times more resistant to torsion. It bends physics before it bends under pressure. Every light, Every vent, every inch of this car was engineered through computational morphogenesis, a design process that mimics nature's growth algorithms, meaning the car wasn't designed, it was grown. And yes, those glowing veins running across the body aren't just for show, they're part of the kinetic energy conduit system, channeling excess power from motion back into storage cells. It's self-sustaining efficiency disguised as beauty. The Zephyrion X1 doesn't belong to one category. It's not just a sports car, not a hypercar, not even a concept. It's the dawn of a new class, the Aero-Sentient Machine. It learns how you drive, it evolves with every mile, and the more you push it, the more it adapts. Tuning traction, recalibrating suspension, even reshaping panels mid-race to maintain optimum airflow. But here's the thing about perfection. It's not just about speed, it's about soul. And that's what sets the Zephyrion apart. It wasn't built by algorithms alone. It was built by visionaries who asked one question: what if a car could feel alive? Because sometimes speed isn't about numbers. It's about the connection between man and machine, between imagination and asphalt, between the heartbeat inside you and the pulse beneath your feet. And that connection has a name: Zephyrion X1, where technology breathes and the future takes form. The Zephyrion X1, the shape of tomorrow.